Welcome students. Our today's topic is rational numbers. In number system, we should start rational numbers today. Before starting the rational numbers, we should know about the numbers. Firstly, the numbers are started from natural numbers, and natural numbers are the numbers which are used for counting, and counting starts from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So smallest natural number is 1 and the greatest natural number cannot be known because counting, counting of the number counting of the number never ends. The smallest natural number is 1 and the biggest natural number cannot be known. After natural numbers, the whole numbers are come to the existence, and whole numbers are the number. If we add 0 to natural numbers, then we get the whole numbers, and whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So smallest whole number is 0 and the greatest whole number cannot be known. After these two number systems, the integers are come to the existence, and integers contains all the natural numbers and whole numbers, and integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and in backward direction all the negative of natural numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, and so on. So integers can be divided into three parts. Number 1 is positive integer, and positive integers are all the natural numbers. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3, and so on. And third one is the zero integer, which is alone 0. So integers are divided in three parts: positive integer, negative integer, and zero integer. After natural number, whole number, and integers, the rational numbers are come to the existence, because if we talking about 750 meter above the sea level, above the sea level, 750 meter above the sea level, it is equal to 3 upon 4 kilometer above the sea level. So above the sea level, we can represent it as positive of 3 upon 4 kilometer, and if we say about 750 meter below the sea level, then it becomes minus 3 upon 4 kilometer. Here two numbers are come. Number 1 is 3 upon 4 kilometer positive, and second one is minus 3 upon 4 kilometer negative. These two numbers, 3 upon 4 positive and negative, is not in the natural number, whole number, and integers. So here we need to improve our number system, and the rational numbers are come to the existence because 3 upon 4 is not present in these previous number systems. So natural number can be defined as the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q are known as rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q is known as rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q numbers is can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. For example, 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon 1, 0 upon 1, and so on. So we can say that all the previous number systems, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all are rational numbers, because if we write these numbers upon 1, so we get the form of P upon Q, and all these number systems are included in the rational numbers. So we can say that rational numbers contains all the natural number, whole number, integers. Now come to the equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational numbers. Suppose we have a rational number 2 upon 3. If we multiply numerator and denominator by a non-negative integer, suppose we multiply numerator and denominator both by 2, then we get another rational number 4 upon 6. This 4 upon 6 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. This 4 upon 6 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. So rational number 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6 are equivalent rational number. In this way, we can get every rational numbers as a equivalent rational number. Now come to positive and negative rational numbers. Positive and negative rational number. Positive and negative rational numbers. 3 upon 5, which is a positive rational number, is positive rational number. And minus 3 upon 5 is a negative rational number. So rational numbers are positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers are also found in existence. Now come to the rational numbers on number line. Rational numbers on number line. Rational number number line. Suppose we have to represent 1 upon 2 on the number line. Then we draw a number line and we make equal distances on number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 upon 2 is in mid of 0 and 1. So this point shows 1 upon 2 on number line. Suppose point is P. So P point shows 1 upon 2 on number line. Like this we can represent 3 upon 4 on number line. Suppose we have to represent 3 upon 4 on number line. We draw number line. Take point 0. Take point 1 and divide it in 2 equal parts, and if we divide it in 4 equal parts, then this point will represent 1 by 4, this will 2 by 4, and this is 3 by 4. In this way we can represent 3 by 4 on number line. Suppose we have to represent minus 2 upon 3 on number line. Then we draw a number line and we take 0, and this number is negative decimal number, so we take here minus 1 and make 3 equal parts between 0 and minus 1. So this is minus 1 upon 3, this is minus 2 upon 3, so this point will represent minus 2 upon 3. So we can represent any rational number on number line. Now come to the rational numbers standard form. Standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. We know that rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of E upon Q. In standard form of rational number, denominator of the number should be positive. Suppose we have a rational number 24 upon minus 36. Here denominator of the number is minus 36 and it is negative number. Here P and Q both are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So this number is rational number. But in standard form, denominator of the rational number should be positive. So for converting this 24 upon minus 36 in a standard form, we should make the denominator of this number is positive. So we can multiply both numerator and denominator of this number by minus 1. If we multiply numerator and denominator of this number by minus 1, we get the denominator positive and we get it minus 24 upon 36, because minus 36 into minus 1 is equal to 36. So in standard form, first of all, denominator must be positive. After that, numerator and denominator have not any common factor other than 1. Numerator and denominator have not any common factor other than 1. So if we divided both numerator and denominator by 12, because both are both can be divided by 12, so we get minus 2 in numerator and 3 in denominator. Here numerator and denominator both have only common factor, that is 1. So the standard form of minus 24 upon minus 36 is minus 2 upon 3. It is the standard form of 24 upon minus 36. So standard form of a rational number is the number which denominator is positive and numerator and denominator both have only one as common factor. No other common factor is there except 1. So we can convert any rational number in the standard form by applying this criteria. Now come to the comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational number. We can compare two rational numbers. Suppose we have to compare 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Now we have to compare two rational numbers, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. For comparing these two rational numbers, we should make the denominator of these two numbers equal. So we take LCM of these two denominators 2 and 3, and LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 6. So we make denominator of these two rational numbers 6, and for this we multiply both numerator and denominator of 1 upon 2 by 3, and in 2 upon 3 we multiply by 2. So we get first number as 3 upon 6 and second number as 4 upon 6. Now denominator of both numbers are 6, so we can compare these two numbers 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Here 3 upon 6 is less than 4 upon 6. So we can say that 1 upon 2 is less than 2 upon 3. Therefore 1 upon 2 is less than 2 upon 3. 1 upon 2 is less than 2 upon 3. So in this way we can compare two rational numbers. Now come to the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Suppose we have given two rational numbers. First is 1 and second is 2. 1 and 2 are the rational numbers, and we have to insert more rational numbers between 1 and 2. For this, first of all, we have to equate the denominator of these two rational numbers. Here, the denominator of first rational number 1 is 1, and denominator of second rational number is also 1. It can also be written as 2 upon 1. Here both 1 upon 1 and 2 upon 1 are rational numbers. Now we have to insert more rational numbers between these two numbers. Suppose we multiply the numerator and denominator of both rational numbers by 2, then we get another number like this, 1 into 2 upon 1 into 2, and in this number 2 into 2 upon 1 into 2. So we get 2 upon 2 and 4 upon 2. Here, two rational numbers are found, 2 upon 2 and 4 upon 2, and in between these two numbers, we get a number 2 upon 2, 4 upon 2, that is 3 upon 2. This 3 upon 2 is between 1 and 2. So, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Suppose there are two rational numbers. One is 1 upon 5 and another number is 2 upon 3. In these two rational numbers, we have to insert more rational numbers between these two rational numbers. For this, we equate the denominator of these two numbers. Here, the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Here, LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. So, here we have to make the denominator of both rational numbers equal to 15. For this, we can multiply 1 upon 5, the numerator of 1 upon 5 and denominator of 1 upon 5 by 3. And on other hand, in 2 upon 3, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. In this way, we can equate the denominator of these two numbers, and we get 3 upon 15 and 10 upon 15. Here, in between 3 upon 15 and 10 upon 15, we get the number 4 upon 15, 5 upon 15, 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, and 9 upon 15. And if we want more numbers between these two rational numbers, we can increase the denominator of both numbers. If we multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 by 15 and 10 upon 15 by 2, then we get 6 upon 30, and here we get 20 upon 30. So we can get more rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So here, numbers between 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 are 4 upon 15, 5 upon 15, 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, and 9 upon 15. In this way, we can insert more and more rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now come to the operation on rational numbers. Operation on rational numbers. We know that there are four operations in mathematics, and these are addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are four operations, and we apply these four operations on rational numbers. So now come to the operations on rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers. First come to the addition. Suppose we have to add two rational numbers, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. These two rational numbers, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3, we have to add these two numbers. For adding these two numbers, we add it like the fraction and find the LCM of denominator. Here denominators are 2 and 3, and LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. We divide 6 by 2 and get 3, and multiply the numerator by 3, we get 3 into 1, 3. And here we divide 6 by 3, we get 2, and multiply the numerator of 2 upon 3 by 2, we get 2 into 2, 4. And we get here 7 upon 6. In this way we can perform addition of rational numbers. Now come to the second operation, that is subtraction. Subtraction. Suppose we have to subtract here 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. Then we get LCM of denominator 6. Divide 6 by 2. Then we get here 3 into 3 minus. We divide 6 by 3. We get 2. 2 into 4, 4. 3 minus 4. And this is equal to minus 1 upon 6. So it is the subtraction of rational numbers. Now come to the multiplication. Multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication. Multiplication of rational numbers. We multiply 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. These two rational numbers, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3, are multiplied. Then we multiply numerator by numerator, 1 into 2, and denominator by denominator, 2 into 3, and we get 2 upon 6. So it is the multiplication of rational number. Now come to the division of rational number. Division of rational number. Division of rational number. 1 upon 2 divided by 2 by 3. Here two rational numbers, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3 are divided. 1 upon 2 is divided by 2 upon 3. So we get 1 upon 2, and division will convert into multiplication, and here we get denominator upon numerator, that is 3 upon 2. and again apply the process of multiplication. We get here 3 upon 4. Suppose here 1 upon 2 is divided by minus 2 by 3, then we get 1 upon 2 into 3 upon minus 2, and we get 3 upon minus 4, and we convert it into standard form, and by converting standard form we multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1, and we get minus 3 upon 4. So in this way we can apply operations on rational numbers. Now come to the reciprocal of rational numbers. Reciprocal of rational numbers. Reciprocal of rational numbers. Suppose you have to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is equal to, then if we want to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, then we change the numerator and denominator and we get the reciprocal of number. Here reciprocal of 2 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 2. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. In this way we can say that we apply operations on rational number and we get the reciprocal of rational numbers. Thank you.